Introduction. Welcome to our video on fine-tuning GPT models for classification, where we will explore how to adapt pre-trained GPT models for specific supervised tasks like spam classification. From preparing the dataset to adding a classification head, we will break down each step. On different categories of fine-tuning. Fine-tuning falls into three main categories: feature extraction. The pre-trained model's transformer layers remain frozen, and only the classification head is updated. Full fine-tuning. All layers, including the transformer layers, are updated. Intermediate fine-tuning. A middle ground where some layers are frozen while others are fine-tuned. Each approach balances computational cost and task-specific performance. To preparing the dataset preparation involves cleaning, tokenizing, and labeling the data. For example, in spam classification, emails are preprocessed to remove unnecessary symbols, then labeled as spam or not spam. This ensures the model learns to distinguish between classes effectively. Creating data loaders. Data loaders organize and batch the data for efficient training. They shuffle data to ensure randomness and feed it into the model in manageable chunks. Balanced batching ensures that the model sees a representative sample of each class in every batch, stabilizing learning. For initializing a model with pre-trained weights. Pre-trained weights from GPT models act as a strong foundation for fine-tuning. These weights, trained on diverse text corpora, provide a contextual understanding of language. Initializing with pre-trained weights accelerates training and enhances the model's performance on specific tasks. Adding a classification head. To perform classification, a classification head is added to the GPT model. This head usually consists of dense layers that output probabilities for each class. For instance, a softmax layer at the end converts logits into probabilities, making the model suitable for multi-class classification. Calculating the classification loss and accuracy. The classification loss is computed using functions like cross-entropy, which evaluates how close the model's predictions are to the actual labels. Accuracy measures the percentage of correctly predicted samples, offering a clear metric to gauge model performance. Fine-tuning the model on supervised data. Fine-tuning involves training the model on labeled datasets. Techniques like early stopping prevent overfitting, while learning rate adjustments optimize convergence. Monitoring validation performance ensures the model generalizes well to unseen data. Using the LLM as a spam classifier. In practice, a fine-tuned LLM can classify emails as spam or not spam. By training on labeled email datasets, the model learns to identify spam patterns, such as repetitive keywords or suspicious formatting. This demonstrates the real-world utility of fine-tuning GPT models. Conclusion: fine-tuning transforms pre-trained GPT models into powerful tools for specific tasks like classification. By leveraging pre-trained weights, adding classification heads, and fine-tuning on labeled data, we unlock the potential to solve diverse problems efficiently.